Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Mylec hockey net is probably one of the most versatile and durable pieces of equipment for any hockey player looking to improve their skills in the backyard, driveway, or even on the ice, offering a professional-grade experience that's built to withstand countless shots and rigorous practice sessions, making it an essential investment for aspiring athletes and casual players alike who demand quality and performance from their training gear. Number 5. Franklin Sports NHL Street Hockey Goal Set. Never stop playing, even when the ice melts. This ultimate starter set includes everything you need to hit the street and have fun. Designed for young hockey enthusiasts, this set lets you bring the game to your friends anywhere. The fun doesn't have to end just because you're off the ice. Setting up and packing up is a breeze. Its lightweight construction means you can easily assemble, move, and store it in seconds, making it perfect for on-the-go fun. The durable, all-weather polyester mesh net comes pre-fitted for quick and easy assembly. Spend less time setting up and more time playing. This youth set is officially licensed by the National Hockey League. It's designed for use with the official street hockey ball, ensuring an authentic experience. What we like. This is the perfect starter kit for young hockey enthusiasts. If you're looking for a complete package to get kids playing right away, this is it. It's lightweight and easy to set up, making it ideal for backyard fun. What people say. Quick and easy setup. Good size for just starting to play hockey. Very sturdy. Easy to assemble, and my son has drug it in and out of the garage 100 times and it's still fine. He said give it 6 stars. It is pretty durable. I would recommend. The net is a good size, not small like some of the others I have seen. The net is made from PVC, but as long as you aren't pulling on it or running into it, it does the trick and holds up fine on its own. Number 4. Mylec Indoor and Street Hockey Net. This hockey net is built to last. Its high-grade material can withstand tough weather and impacts, ensuring it stays in great condition. Setting up and taking down this hockey training net is a breeze. It's designed for efficiency, packing down small for easy storage and transport. Unfolded in seconds for a stable goal, perfect for indoor or outdoor play. It folds down compactly, making transport incredibly simple. Keeping this hockey net clean is simple. It can be easily washed in a washing machine, saving you time and effort. Give the gift of improved skills. This outdoor hockey net is ideal for any hockey enthusiast wanting to elevate their game. What we like. Need a reliable replacement net that's built to last. This option is incredibly durable and can withstand tough play and weather. Plus, the machine washable feature makes cleaning a breeze, perfect for those who value low maintenance. What people say. The net is easy to assemble and durable. It's a great size for street hockey and backyard play. The netting is strong and holds up well to shots. Number 3. Mylec PVC Junior Hockey Folding Goal. Introducing the Mylec PVC Junior Hockey Folding Goal, perfect for both indoor and outdoor play. It's designed for convenience and durability. This goal is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 15 pounds, making it easy to transport wherever your game takes you. Its portable design ensures fun anywhere. Setting up the net is a breeze with its innovative sleeve netting system. It slides on easily, saving you time and hassle. Assembly is quick and straightforward, and when you're done playing, it folds up easily for convenient storage. Enjoy more playing time and less setup time. Constructed with high-impact 158 PVC tubing and a center pipe support, it offers exceptional strength and longevity. This goal is built to withstand rigorous play. Whether you're playing in the backyard or the basement, this goal is suitable for all surfaces. Its versatile design makes it a great addition to any hockey practice. What we like. For a sturdy yet portable option, consider this goal. Its high-impact PVC and easy-to-use sleeve netting make assembly quick and reliable. If you need a goal that's strong but still easy to store, this is a great choice. What people say. The net is easy to assemble and durable. It's a great size for street hockey and practices. The net is well constructed and holds up to hard shots. Number 2. Franklin Sports NHL Street Hockey Goal 72x48. Bring the authentic feel of the rink to your driveway or street. This goal is designed for high-quality play, making every game feel real. Constructed with heavy-duty steel tubing, this frame is built to withstand intense gameplay. It's designed to last season after season. Get straight to the action with our snap lock assembly. It comes with clear instructions, so you can spend less time building and more time playing. This goal features heavy-duty netting that's pre-fit for simple setup. It's ready for action right out of the box. Perfect for experienced players, this is designed to help you hone your fundamentals. Take your street hockey game to the next level. What we like. If you're serious about improving your street hockey game, this steel goal is for you. Its robust construction ensures it can handle intense play season after season. Choose this if you're an experienced player looking for a professional feel. What people say. Very sturdy and net is great quality. The pucks tear through the net, this net is withstanding the kid's wrath. It is actually quite easy to assemble, but I took a star off just for how frustrating putting the net on is. But, that is nothing new to anything with putting a net on for any goal, cause that is always frustrating for any sport cage. The net is great, sits extremely well and is durable for shooting around or games. The first 10 were spent on the frame. Extremely simple, click into place but are still tough. The net's a different story. It is not hard to put on, it's just time consuming. Overall though, it's sturdy, it's tough, and it looks great. The net is very durable. Number 1. EZGoal 4 feet by 6 feet folding steel hockey goal. Introducing the EZGoal 4 feet by 6 feet folding steel hockey goal. It's designed for serious players who want to improve their game. This goal is built to last and offers professional features. It features a curved pro-style frame and top shelf for a realistic playing experience. The durable netting ensures it can withstand intense play, offering a lifetime on the goal net. Practice your shots with confidence thanks to the 10-foot by 6-foot backstop. It effectively rebounds pucks, protecting your garage and keeping your practice area contained. Take your accuracy to the next level with the included Pro Shooter Tutor. It comes with 5 targets to help you hone your precision and aim. When practice is over, the patent-pending rock-solid folding mechanism allows it to fold flat for convenient storage. Plus, integrated wheels make it easy to move wherever you want to play. This package includes the frame, nettings, all necessary hardware, and an instruction manual. Get ready to elevate your game with this complete hockey goal set. What we like. Take your training to the next level with this comprehensive setup. The included backstop and shooter tutor are fantastic for honing your skills without chasing pucks. If you want a complete training solution with added convenience, this is the one. What people say. Good quality material, the net is made of strong material as well and can withstand outdoor elements. The bigger red tubes around the net seem sturdy. Assembly was super easy. It would be good if they showed what bolts went to what. But easy to figure out as there are only 2, really the rest of the pipes just snap together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.